The PLK DTF Printer A3 Ultra might just be the game changer you need. You will find the link to this product in the description below at a best price. Designed for professional use but with simplicity at its core, this all-in-one printing system includes a preloaded laptop, printer, oven, and a generous 2-year ink supply program, perfect for scaling your operations without breaking the bank. What makes this printer stand out is its blazing fast XP600 printhead, capable of printing at speeds twice as fast as the older L1800 and L805 models. Whether you're filling bulk orders or customizing one-offs, the 500mm Superscript 2/S output ensures that you can deliver high-quality prints under pressure. And with its 2880 by 1440 dpi resolution, your designs will always come out crisp, colorful, and professional. One of the key features of this model is its dual white ink circulation system. It continuously stirs and circulates the white ink to prevent clogging, which is a common issue in DTF printing. This drastically reduces downtime and maintenance, letting you focus on growing your business instead of troubleshooting issues. Combined with the one-click ink setup system, it's designed for maximum reliability and minimum mess, no more dealing with tricky refills or ink spills. Another standout feature is the fully integrated paper cutter. Built into the machine, it ensures that every film cut is straight, clean, and ready for transfer, streamlining your production process even further. For anyone who values efficiency, this eliminates the hassle of manual cutting and improves overall workflow. And operating this printer couldn't be easier. The smart touchscreen control panel offers intuitive navigation through all your settings and adjustments. Whether you're tweaking color levels or switching formats, everything is just a tap away, saving you time and frustration. The included laptop is pre-configured with all the necessary software and drivers, so there's no need for complicated installations or tech knowledge. You simply plug it in, power it up, and start printing right out of the box. That's an ideal setup, especially for new business owners who want a reliable plug-and-play solution. On top of all this, the 2-year ink and powder subscription program means you're always stocked and ready to go, just cover the shipping. It's a huge cost saver over time and guarantees that your printer won't sit idle due to lack of supplies. In short, the PLK DTF Printer A3 Ultra is built for creators who need speed, simplicity, and studio quality results. Whether you're starting up or scaling up, it delivers professional output with minimal hassle, letting you focus on what really matters, growing your brand. You will find the link to this product in the description below at a best price.